We are looking at how to pronounce these words. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing food names. Stay tuned to learn more. In British English in the UK, it's said as burger, a stress on the first syllable, burger. Now in American English in the US, it's pronounced as burger. We are looking at how to pronounce these words. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing food names. Stay tuned to learn more. In British English in the UK, it's said as burger, a stress on the first syllable, burger. Now in American English in the US, it's pronounced as burger. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.